Number 85, oto. By itself it is the kanji oto, sound. The bushu oto also means sound. It has 9 strokes. Surprisingly, two bushu, oto and gommen, share the same origins. In oto, the ancient image of a sharp tattoo needle and a mouth with something inside signified a word that is not clear, that is just sound. It became the ancient writing shown in blue. This ancient writing became the kanji and is used as bushu. The kanji on, oto, means sound and Chinese sound of kanji. What is said ends up a mere garbled sound because there is something in a mouth. The words are oto, sound, ongaku, music, and onyomi, Chinese sound of kanji. The kanji I means intent. A non-verbal sound that is in one's heart is one's intent. The words are imi, meaning, iken, opinion, view, and igai ni, contrary to expectation. The kanji an, kurai, means dark. A garbled word that is sound means unclear. When the sun is not clear, it is dark. The words are kurai, dark, ankisuru, to memorize, and meian, contrast between light and dark. These are the kanji that are discussed in the Kiru Kanji. Summing up, the bushu oto came from the image of a sharp tattoo needle and a mouth with something inside. It means a word that is not clear, which is just sound. It has 9 strokes. The sample kanji are oto, imi no I, and kurai,